Hi guys, good to have you on this channel. This is Power Learn Science and Maths TV. This is a channel dedicated to problems related to science and mathematics. And so to my new viewers, if this falls within your interest, I'll be glad if you subscribe to this channel. To my returning viewers, I say a very big thank you for bringing me this far. Now in this video, we are to show that y squared is equal to 1 plus 8 exponent z, given that we have these two logarithmic equations. So as a culture on this channel, I'll be glad if you pause the video and try your hands on it, after which you can compare your solution to that of mine. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to rewrite each of the logarithmic equations. So if I take a look at the first logarithmic equations, you realize that we have the same base and we are adding. So from the property of logarithm, we are to pick one of the base and multiply the numbers or the variables. So the first one will give us log of 4, and we have y minus 1 times half of x is equal to z. So this will give us log of 4 of, into brackets, x into bracket 1 minus 1 all divided by 2, and this whole thing is equal to z. So finding the antilog, we are going to get x into bracket y minus 1 all divided by 2 is equal to 4 exponent z. So let's go ahead and call this equation 1. Now we are moving to the second logarithmic equation and also rewrite it. So to do that, we are going to get log of to the base of 2. In this case, they are subtracting, so this will leave us with y plus 1 divided by x, all this equals z minus 1. So what this means is that finding antilog, we are going to get y plus 1 all on x is equal to 2 exponent z minus 1. So rearranging, we are going to get y plus 1 all on x to be 2 exponent z times 2 exponent negative 1. And so we have y plus 1 all on x is equal to 2 exponent z divided by 2. So what this means is that we are going to have 2 into brackets y plus 1 all on x is equal to 2 exponent z. So let's call this equation 2. Now for us to be able to get y squared is equal to 1 plus 8 exponent z, we are going to adjust these two equations. We are going to combine these two equations, and the only way we can combine them is by multiplying them. So equation 2 times equation 1. So when that happens, we are going to have x into bracket y minus 1 all on 2 times 2 into bracket y plus 1 all on x and this is equal to 2 exponent z multiplied by 4 exponent z. And so these two will cancel themselves, and the x2 will cancel that. So we'll be left with y minus 1 times y plus 1 is equal to 2 times 4 all these exponent z, because generally if we have a(n) times b(n), this is the same as a times b all exponent n. So now let's expand this and see what we get. So if we expand this, we are going to get y squared plus y minus 1 is equal to 8 exponent z. So let me continue here. And so we are going to get y squared minus 1 is equal to 8 exponent z. Therefore, making y squared the subject, we are going to get y squared is equal to 1 plus 8 exponent z. And therefore, we've been able to prove that y squared is equal to 1 plus 8 exponent z. Let me know what you think of this approach in the comment section. And I know that definitely there is a different approach to solving this. That is you can use change of base. All right, you can either convert from base 4 to base 2 or base 2 to base 4, and I think we should get the same thing. So why don't you go ahead and try that? But regardless, I want to know any different approach to this particular problem in the comment section. Thank you once again, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.